Yeah. What up, Facebook? We about to throw it back real quick. I mean, yo, all my jail niggas, know you been through this. Know what I mean? All my jail females. Somebody who just missing somebody, you know what I mean? Check it. Let me like this, yo. Yo, they say you never miss someone until they're gone. I guess it's true, now I'm depressed. Got me stressing over you, listening to love songs. Keep it on the low, Mario Winans. Can't believe you did me this wrong, and there ain't no sense in crying over you, now I'm moving on. Even though deep inside I'm dying, fucking with my head. Thinking about you with another nigga, how you get down in the bed. And I'm facing time up in Whaley Ave, still seeing court. Wildin' out, got me up and sag along with my thoughts, and you stopped writing. No visits, no mail, and it's impossible to make bail. 75,000 cash hit me with the ransom. You know a nigga ain't going nowhere soon. Violation, probation, no outside charges got me assuming I'll be home this time next June. While you out in the world, in and out of niggas' whips, I'm in here lifting weights, doing crazy calisthenics, getting my mind right while I work on my lyrics. Juma Talim bringing peace to my spirits. Niggas be ice grilling like they really that live. Everybody want heaven, but no man want die. Niggas get caught sleeping with their eyes shut wide and make you respect life through a dead man's eyes. Locked down 21 and a half. No child, 2 hours for rec, phone calls and take showers. Can't wait for the day that they set me free. Reality is, that's a long time from now. Locked up, ain't no way to live. I stay haunted by visions in my sleep, being home with my kids. Some mornings waking up like a brick, hard and shit. Snuggled up with my pillow like if it was my chick, that jail shit. Yeah, throw it back real quick for y'all. One time, you know what I mean? What up, Facebook? Let's get it poppin'. I'm gonna keep coming. Get y'all shit right.